My name is Justine Verzo. I'm the executive chef of Ainsworth. So the president of our company, which is Brian Mazza, collaborated with Jonathan Chaban, also known as Foodgod, and they wanted to create something together, and that's how they came up with the gold wings. So I brined them for 12 hours. I created a dry rub for it. So I put a dry rub on it. As soon as I took it out of the brine, I put a dry rub and I baked them. My friend was telling me about this gold butter that she was using, so I said, okay, let me try it. And then I just added a tiny bit of it to the seasoning I already had, and then it came together. So I said that was one layer of gold, and then I was looking up online. I was like, I need something making it extra gold, you know, because I'm all about like the layers and layers and stuff like that. So I said, and I saw it online. You know, I already knew about the gold flakes that's already in the alcohol. I already knew about that. So I said, I used that first, and then it made it pop. And that's what, you know, and I said, and I looked it up, and I looked for gold dust, 24 karat, and then that's how it came about. So the gold wings cost 10 pieces for 45, 20 pieces for 90, 50 pieces for 1,000 with a bottle of Ace of Spades. Brine for 12 hours, dry rubbed, baked for 350 degrees, fully cooked, fried, tossed in buffalo honey with the gold butter, then dusted with gold dust.